consider sodium chloride in water. So it prepares a sodium chloride solution. So that is the solution. And now the second part is the solute. Solute means the constituents of the solution which is present in smaller amount. In the previous example, you can consider here that sodium chloride is in small proportion, small amount as compared to the water. So that sodium chloride being a solvent, okay, it is being a solute because it is present in small amount. Means if you consider any kind of solution, in that solution a substance which is present in small amount is known as solute. Any kind of example. If you consider an example of NaOH solution, okay, in that case NaOH being a solute, it is being a solute. NaOH solution, KOH solution, any kind of solution if you consider, in that if the substance present in smaller amount known as solute. Similarly, the second definition is that solvent, the substance which is present in larger amount. Means if this is a solution of sodium chloride, in this sodium chloride solution, sodium chloride solid present in small amount while the water being a large proportion.
Yes, sir.
Right? So the water is present in large proportion means it acts as a solvent. So the water is a solvent. Any kind of substances which present in a large proportion in a solution known as solvent. Okay. Now let us consider some type and examples of solution. Here we are going to consider the examples. So it is just like as a chart. This is a solute, this is solvent, and this is the example of solution. Right? This is the example of solution. This is the solvent, this is the solute. Now solute means which is present in minimum percent proportion, while solvent means which is present in large proportion. So if you consider the example of air. Air means it is a mixture of different types of gas. Some gas may be present in large proportion, some gas may be present in small proportion. So it is a perfect mixture of gas to gas. Air is a perfect mixture of a solution of gas to gas, right? So second example we are going to consider a gas and liquid. Means solute is a gas and solvent is a liquid. So CO2 being a gas which is present in water molecules. वॉटर मध्ये CO2 प्रेझेंट असतो, तर त्या केसमध्ये आपण CO2 चं पर्सेंटेज कमी असतो. आता सी लेवलला जर बघितलं तर सी लेवल मध्ये पण CO2 प्रेझेंट असतो, तर CO2 मिनिमम पर्सेंटेज मध्ये असतो आणि वॉटर जास्त पर्सेंटेज मध्ये असल्यामुळे लिक्विड बीइंग अ सॉल्व्हेंट अँड गॅस CO2 बीइंग अ सॉल्व्हेंट. सिमिलरली HCl जे सोल्युशन आपण लॅब मध्ये यूज करत असतो, कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड HCl सोल्युशन. ऍक्च्युअली HCl इज अ गॅस which can be liquefied. Right? The HCl solution is an example for this gas and liquid solution. Okay. Third example is gas to solid. Means solute is gas and solvent is solid. So absorption of H2 and palladium. This can be used for the hydrogenation purpose in organic reaction. Organic reaction मध्ये हायड्रोजनेशन साठी यूज केलं जातं. हायड्रोजन गॅस हा पॅलेडियम वर ऍब्सॉर्ब केला जातो. आता पॅलेडियम हा सॉलिड सपोर्ट आहे आणि हायड्रोजन हा गॅस फॉर्म आहे. So that gas being a solute and that palladium being a solvent. Right, solvent. So the next example is liquid gas. Means solute हा लिक्विड असायला पाहिजे, त्याचं पर्सेंटेज कमी असायला पाहिजे आणि गॅस सॉल्व्हेंट आहे त्याचं पर्सेंटेज जास्त असायला पाहिजे. सो क्लाउड्स, राईट, क्लाउड इज द बेस्ट एक्झाम्पल फॉर द लिक्विड गॅस. असे नंबर ऑफ एक्झाम्पल्स तुम्हाला इथे दिलेले आहेत. डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ सोल्यूट, सॉल्व्हेंट अँड देअर एक्झाम्पल फॉर द सोल्युशन. ओके. So now let us consider how that concentration expresses. Concentration lab मध्ये आपण बघत असतो, there are different types of chemicals present in the waters with the different concentration, but how that concentration represents okay, and what is meant by concentration? A concentration is nothing but the amount of solute present in the solution, a specific amount of solute present. The way of expression, it is the expression. आपण ते फक्त एक्सप्रेस करू शकतो की सोल्यूट ह्या पर्सेंटेज मध्ये पर्सेंटेज आहे. सो इट इज द वे ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ अमाउंट ऑफ सोल्यूट प्रेझेंट इन द सॉल्व्हेंट. ओके. नाउ वी कॅन सी हियर द कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ सोल्युशन. सो हियर इट इज, दिस इज वन इज अ डायल्यूट सोल्युशन. दॅट मीन्स देर आर मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ सोल्यूट्स प्रेझेंट. ज्याचं डायल्यूट सोल्युशन असेल तर त्या केसमध्ये कमी पर्सेंटेज मध्ये सोल्यूट प्रेझेंट असतात आणि जिथं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन जास्त असतं तिथं जास्त पर्सेंटेज मध्ये सोल्यूट प्रेझेंट असतात, राईट. मगाशी सांगितल्याप्रमाणे कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन मीन्स द वे ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ अमाउंट ऑफ सोल्यूट विच इज प्रेझेंट इन द सोल्युशन. सोल्युशन मध्ये किती अमाउंट मध्ये सोल्यूट प्रेझेंट आहे हे एक्सप्रेस करण्याच्या मेथडला कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन म्हणतात. मग कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन आर अगेन क्लासिफाईड इनटू टू डिफरंट युनिट्स, physical units and chemical units. The physical units classified into two classes, that is depending upon the mass and depending upon the percentage composition. आता mass means काय, mass of the solute per definite volume of the solution. Suppose आता इथे एक एक्झाम्पल मी कन्सिडर करतो की मास ने कसं फिजिकल युनिट एक्सप्रेस केलं जाईल. सपोज आता मी मेन्शन केलं की एखादा कंपाऊंड सपोज आपण घेतलाय 17 ग्रॅम ऑफ ग्लुकोज, 70 gram of glucose per 0.1 dm cube of the solution. So this is the mass which is present in liquid, that is 0.1 dm cube. म्हणजे 0.1 dm cube मध्ये 17 gram of glucose present. So it is represented by the mass. Okay. And percentage composition means percentage composition मध्ये काय केलं जातं, mass unit of the solute per 100 ml. इथं 100 ml ला कन्सिडर केलं जातं. जे काही मास असेल that mass is considered for the per 100 ml. Okay. For example, so 12% of sodium chloride, याचा अर्थ असा की 12 ग्रॅम of sodium chloride in 100 ml. ओके, समजतंय काय म्हणायचं. सो द पर्सेंटेज कॉम्पोजिशन हे नेहमी त्याच्या फिक्स असणार आहे 100 ml ला, राईट. इट इज फॉर द 100 ml, बट मास इज डिफरंट. हे 17 ग्रॅम ऑफ ग्लुकोज पर 0.1 डीएम क्यूब ला प्रेझेंट असतात. तसंच आपण केमिकल युनिट चेक करणार आहोत. आता केमिकल युनिट जर बघितलं, हा सुद्धा कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन एक्सप्रेस करण्याचा एक डिफरंट युनिट आहे. तर केमिकल युनिट्स अगेन क्लासिफाईड इनटू टू डिफरंट टाइप्स, दॅट इज व्हॉल्यूम अँड वेट बेसिस. तर व्हॉल्यूम बेसिस जर कन्सिडर करायला गेलो आपण, तर व्हॉल्यूम बेसिस मध्ये देर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन युनिट. दॅट इज द फर्स्ट वन इज नॉर्मॅलिटी. Second one is molarity, and the third one is that is the formality. Okay, so according to the chemical units, the concentration are again classified on the basis of volume and weight basis. Volume again classified into three types: normality, molarity, and formality. So if the volume changes, the unit is going to be changes, or concentration is going to be changes. Similarly, the second type, that is weight basis. Weight basis again classified into two different classes, that is mole fraction, and second one is molarity. Sorry, it is a molality, not molarity. So this is the way of expression of concentration in physical as well as chemical units. Now the next one is, we are going to express the concentration of solute. As earlier we know that the concentration of solute is expressed in two types, that is volume basis and weight basis. Volume basis is classified into molarity, normality, and formality. Weight basis is classified into molality, mole fraction, milliequivalents, millimoles, ppms, and ppb. So the ppm means part per million, parts per billion.